Hello everyone, we're here today to talk about the Mr.Shield Glass 3-pack screen protector. The phone that we're looking at is a Jitterbug Smart 3 phone. So in the package it comes with 3 screen protectors and a lifetime guarantee if the screen protector ever breaks. It also includes the alcohol wipes to wipe off the screen, some dust collectors, and these are the stickers you use to frame the screen protector on the phone itself, and a pad to wipe it down. So what you're supposed to do is put this face down and get it aligned on the phone. Now the immediate problem with this screen protector on this Jitterbug Smart 3 is it's not fit for the screen. As you can see, the glass on this phone is from edge to edge. And if I line up the screen protector on the phone, there's a good almost 1/4 of an inch where it's not covering the glass. So you could split the difference and put it on like this, but I prefer one that goes almost edge to edge, and this one is lacking. But we'll still walk through the procedure just to show you what it's like. So you take these little stickers, you line up the screen protector, and it's kind of slippery, so you stick these on here. Line it up where you want it on the phone, and then push this around. It kind of locks it in place. And this one, do the same thing. Get it lined up where you want it. Wrap it around like so. You can do 3 of them if you want, just to get it positioned. Make sure you keep those tight on the screen. And then what you're supposed to do is flip this over, and then this is where you clean the screen. So you're supposed to take one of these alcohol packets and clean it off. So clean that off real well. Once you've cleaned the screen, set that aside, and take one of these. Well, I take the cloth. What did I do with the cloth? Here it is. Next, take the cloth and wipe it dry. We'll get it completely dry. Okay, once you get it dry, you take one of the dust removers, peel that off, and then just wrap it around like this so that you can just stick your finger in there and kind of. This is an important step because if there's any dust flying around, this will make sure you get it off the screen so it adheres better. Flip around the other way. Like I said, this is a Jitterbug S3. Maybe they don't make a screen protector that fits it exactly. I'm not sure. Okay, once you do that, you're supposed to take this and peel this off. Whoops, the little sticker came off, huh? And then you lay this down over the top. Get it as close to the top as we can get it. like I said, it doesn't really fit the screen. Look at the big gap here at the bottom. I've got it close to the edge over here, and there's a gap all the way around on the side over here too, so I won't be keeping this on the phone, but I did want to go ahead and complete the demonstration of it. And once you get it on the phone, you're supposed to push it around on the corners, so let's do that. Push around on the outside of it. Oops. And they have a smoothing tool also if you wind up with any bubbles on it that you can use to smooth it out. There you go. Looks like it pretty much did not, doesn't have any bubbles or went on well. It's just not really fit for the screen of the phone. All right, that concludes our video demonstration of the Mr.Shield GlassPack 3 screen protector for the Jitterbug S3 smartphone. We'll have a link in the description below where you can get these on Amazon. I think it was around $7. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below, and hope you have a great and wonderful automation day.